Welcome to watch today's Fresham. RZK Group transformed a lackluster project home on the NSW Central Coast into a luxurious family residence marked by flexible spaces, elevated fixtures, and a considered materiality. Located in the semi-rural suburb of Fountaindale on the NSW Central Coast, Fountaindale Serenitas by RZK Group is a deeply personal and highly functional home. Designed for a family of 6 with a demanding lifestyle, the brief called for elegant, flexible spaces that support daily routines while celebrating individuality. As a multidisciplinary studio, RZK Group seamlessly unified architecture, interior design, and project management, ensuring creative integrity was maintained from initial concept through to final execution, and that every detail responded to the client's needs.